In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Batman Arkham Knight not launching. So first thing you want to do is go inside of Steam. So here, if you go to library and you find the game here, you would right click on the game and then properties, install files, and then verify integrity of game files. Now let's say you are unable to even open Steam. Then what you would do is right click on Steam, properties, compatibility, enable these options and then apply and then OK. Now next, check your drivers. So if you go to device manager, display adapters, make sure you are always updated to the latest version. Click next to update. So once you have the drivers updated, you can actually update your drivers also by going here to NVIDIA. So if you have NVIDIA drivers or AMD, you will have the software specific for it. And after you update, you want to make sure you restart your computer, and this should fix it.